Good evening, guys, or good day, or good morning, wherever you're at. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight we're going to be talking about a company out of Boston, Massachusetts that creates CBD products. Stay tuned, and I'll tell you about a tale after taking some of these products. It's a good ending though, don't worry. I'll see you in a few. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for coming back. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're enjoying the content, thank you so much for all your support, your help over here and on Instagram. You guys are super awesome. Tonight we're going to be talking about a company out of Boston, Massachusetts called Hero CBD. Basically, it's Hero wellness products. What they do is they have their own line of CBD products minus the THC because everybody knows what that does. It makes you do weird things, at least me. It makes me hungry, makes me not stop laughing, you know, just crazy things. But anyway, they have created their own line of CBD products and they sent me out a couple of things to share with you guys. And 10% of their profits go to charities that support our nation's heroes. So anything you buy, 10% of that goes to a charity that supports those guys that fought for our rights, basically. And I think that's totally awesome. The owner's name is Dane. I talked to Dane quite a few times. He has gave me a discount code to share with you guys to enjoy. 25% off, which is a hearty chunk. Thank you, Dane, so much for that. I really appreciate that, as well as I'm sure my followers do, and supporters and subscribers. And their current charity is called Catch a Lift, Fitness for Veterans. I'll show you the card. It says, "Thank you for choosing Hero Wellness Products." And this is their card with their sponsor on it, or one of their sponsors rather. The website is catchalift.org. And here's on the back of that is a little bit about Catch a Lift. I'm going to go ahead and read this real quick because this is kind of important to me, and as it should for you guys as well, because it's an important thing. Since its founding in 2010, the Catch a Lift Fund has helped thousands of post-9/11 combat wounded veterans regain their mental and physical health through gym memberships, in-home gym equipment, personalized fitness and nutrition programs, and a peer support network. Catch a Lift vets are seeing and feeling results including dramatic weight loss, reduction in medications, improved sleep patterns, excuse me, and strengthened relationships with family and friends thanks to their healthier lifestyle. Our veteran testimonials attest that CAL has saved their lives, the greatest impact of all. Catch a Lift, CAL. You know, if you just didn't catch that. Catch a Lift was founded in memory of Armory Corporal Chris Coughlin, who lost his life in Afghanistan while serving in Operation Enduring Freedom, November of 2009. Catch a Lift's mission is rooted in his lifelong belief that through fitness, one can reach their highest potential both mentally and physically. Catch a Lift believes fitness is a personal choice, individual as each member. Choosing how and where to work out, offering options for coaching, accountability, and mentors assures that each veteran's unique needs are met. Sorry, I couldn't spit that out. And again, that's Catch a Lift. Right there's the website. And the card that Dane sent me. First, I'll show you the sticker. Kind of a holographic sticker. His business card, and on the back, I'll give you guys the code for the discount. I'll put it right here. It should be Beardtastic. The card he sent with this, and of course it's got a nice long note that I'll share with you guys. It says, "Patrick, thank you for your support. Included is a pack of gummies and a bottle of our 1500 milligram tinctures. I set up a coupon code for 25% off. It's Beardtastic. I set up a coupon code for 25% off, and that coupon code is Beardtastic. We donate 10% of our profits to veterans charities. Included is a card about Catch a Lift, our current partner. Thanks again, Dane. So again, 10% of their profits go to charities that support our nation's heroes. So get in on this, guys, to support veterans from all around the world through just purchasing a couple of products, especially with the discount code. You can't beat that, guys. And what Dane sent me said in the note, a pack of gummies and a tincture of CBD oil, 1,500 milligrams. And this is where it gets funny. I'll go over the gummies first. The gummies, they're tasty. They got like a sweet outer coating of like grit. I don't know, the sand, I don't know what they're called. But these are premium THC-free CBD gummies, 25 milligrams per gummy, dietary supplement 5 gummies. THC-free, non-GMO, USA hemp, and this is gluten-free. I'll show you guys a little close-up. And of course on the back, it's all the supplemental stuff if you guys want to pause the video and zoom in and read all that stuff. The gummies are good. I was taking between the two, I think there was 5 in here. I took 3 of them. They work really good. To me, I have a lot of stress at work, and when I take one of these, it kind of mellows me down, and it makes me sleep really well. Like, my stress level goes way down. Just really, good tasting gummies. So I never really took CBD type stuff. This is like kind of a first to dive into the CBD world, other than using CBD beard products. But this works. This stuff works good. It relaxed the crap out of me. I'm not gonna lie. And that was the gummies. Now the CBD oil. Funny story. I told Dane this too. I will share with you guys. It's natural premium THC-free CBD oil. 50 milligrams CBD per serving, 1,500 milligrams per bottle, and recommended use is 1 milliliter, pretty much dropper top full, or a dropper full rather. I'll show you guys the bottle real quick and then tell you my embarrassing story. There we go. And all this stuff on the side if you guys want to pause it. And when I got this bottle, which was about a week ago, it was full. I have a hard time seeing where it's at. It's about up to here now. And what I would do, I'd get home from work, shower, do whatever, eat dinner, and it doesn't have a scent. The taste is, I mean, it's not the best taste, but the important thing is it does what it's supposed to do. And in my case, relaxes the crap out of me. It's got kind of a green tint to it. And usually I would take probably about that much. I would stick it under my tongue and let it sink in through my underneath my tongue area. And a funny story, I had told Dane this, like I said, the second day I was taking this, it was after work, I ate dinner, we were sitting in there watching TV in the living room, and next thing I know, I wake up, my head, all cattywampus, and just drool all down my beard. Just, no joke, I can't believe I'm telling you guys this. Just drool all the way down. That's how much this stuff relaxes me. And I wake up, I still feel relaxed. It's not like I gotta go take another dose of it or not. 1 dose for me after work, after I shower and whatnot, of course. This sets me in for the rest of the night. I mean, it doesn't knock me out, because I've taken it in the morning and I was perfectly fine going to work. But it just relaxes me. I'm not saying it's a magical potion or anything like that. But for being the first time that I've tried using it through the mouth, pretty much eating it, drinking it, whatever you want, ingesting it, it really works good. And I can almost guarantee that after this bottle is empty, I will purchase another bottle. This stuff works good. My stress levels just, they go down, and I feel a lot better, to put it in simplest terms. So Hero CBD, I'll put everything in the description box below, guys. Remember, Beardtastic for 25% off. Help a veteran out, guys. 10% of all proceeds go to charities that help veterans in need. Their current partner is Catch a Lift. I'll link all their information as well down in the description. I want to say thank you to Dane for sending these products. I do appreciate it. I appreciate what you do as a business owner and what you're doing. Thank you for your service. I appreciate it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for all the support. God bless every single one of you. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Till the next review, guys. Peace.